My name is Lily with Performance Lexus Northern Kentucky. I get many questions on what that hold button means on your Lexus. Today, I'm here to teach you. The best two scenarios to use your brake hold would be in a drive-through or in stop-and-go traffic. Why have your foot on the brake when you can easily relax, keep your foot down, but still stay in drive? You'll push this brake hold button. Once it comes on, that means you just simply turned on that feature. Once you come to a complete stop and hold the brake down, your car will not move while still being in drive. Hence, when you order your coffee in the morning, you wait to get up to the window, hold the brake down, take your foot off and relax until it's your time to go up to the window and get your coffee. To disengage the brake hold, just tap your gas pedal and you'll go right back into idle. The key about the brake hold is that when you use it, it'll stay on for you. That's until you cut your engine. So if you go into a grocery store, come back out, turn your car back on, you'll have to press it again. Other than that, it'll stay on the duration of your drive. And that is the ability on how to use the brake hold. If you have any questions, reach out to Performance Lexus Northern Kentucky and we'll be happy to take care of you.